Mwaka-ini muhituku, Ministry ya Githomo ni yambiriirie mubango wa kugeria mutaratara mweru wa githomo uria watabanagirio mathukuru-ini matanyihiire 100. Kwa ihinda riu mutaratara uyu ukionekana gwika wega na thengia ya tumathina tunini. Kuria riu a Kenya maretereire kuambiriria kwa mutaratara uyu mweru mwambiririo-ini wa mwaka ukite o nginyagia riria Ministry ya Githomo iraniriirie ati ndihaririirie wega kuambiriria noguo ni ukwamba kurugama.
The front teeth.
Nende twetana yukio wega ni ya Kenya oro hamwe na kiama kia arutani kia NAT aria moroteirie kara Ministry ya Githomo na kuga ni hateanirie riendekithia ria gukuruhania anyiti itemi othe mbere ya mambiriirie.
A curriculum is not a Simon Makonda affair. It's not a one-man affair. You must involve everyone. Governors, all of us must discuss and we must get back to the rule. We are not departing the CBC. We want to get back and discuss it properly.
No muthi miario asocioni ya kindirwo ni kiama kia arimu gia KUPPET aria nao marona ta ministry no yarugire mbere ya kugathika mitaratara mikindiriku.
We had initially raised concerns on the curriculum review process. They were never taken into account even after we requested for wider consultations among stakeholders. Suggestions to delay curriculum implementation is a cause for suspense.
Aciari aingi maronekanaga kuhimbiria mutaratara uyu amwe makiuga ni marehariirie wega ona mbere ya ciana icokete thukuru. No riu aingi matigitwo matukanirwo matekumenya na kiria riu mwana arabatara.
Riu tukora turathi hathara nene muno na riu wira ucio wothe wateo na muthenya umwe.
We have had parents coming to us not sure of what to do. Some parents who had already bought books have come back to us saying that they want to return those books. So there is a lot of confusion in the market.
There is no way as a government can embark on a project, say that you are going to change the curriculum from 844 to another system, and then midstream, you say that that project is not attainable. In the first place, did you do the feasibility study?
Mamwe ma maundu maria marerikana kuhutia mutaratara uyu ni wagi wa mbeca ona githomo kuri arutani. Maundu maria ingi marona ni mangiragirireirio angikorwo honge ciothe ni cietikirire kunyitana. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.